All right, so welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. I have two things I want to discuss. Well, it's two things: the FIFA Technical Committee and also Mason Greenwood. Yes, never necessarily want to join them two videos together, but me just want to use what it's called now: one stone kill two birds. Yeah, I think that's the term. One stone kill two birds, people. Pick up on yourself, people. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. Big up on yourself, people. You don't know a thing already. Before, if I never phone you guys, this don't make no sense. But so I have to say thank you very much. Always, every single time when you touch the button and tune in on the video, or go up on YouTube and search MG Sports. I really, really appreciate it. All right, so there's two things I want to touch on. As I said, I want to touch on the Mason Greenwood situation, and maybe if my mind, based off of the time of the video, if we go over the time there, me probably just make it a two video. But for now, me have it as one. So please, I would really, really appreciate it if you hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. All right, so the first thing I'm going to touch on is FIFA Technical Committee. Now, it is also known as FIFA TSG, Technical Study Group. This is headed by Arsene Wenger, and you also have some renowned coaches on it. Let me give you some ideas. Some of the persons who are a part of the technical, the FIFA Technical Committee. Esteban Cambiaso, Cisse, Tobin Heath, Jurgen Klinsmann, Roberto Martinez, Gilberto Silva. So these are some of the names. It's headed by FIFA Chief of Global Football Development, Arsene Wenger. So on the technical committee side, we have an appointment for the male side, and that is the chairman of the Jamaica Football Technical Committee, which is Rudolph Speed. Yes, same Rudolph Speed, who currently is the chairman of the Finance Committee for the PFJL, member of the Caribbean Football Union Audit and Compliance Committee, member of the Jamaica Football Federation Finance Committee, former treasurer of the JFF, former president of the Jamaica Football Association, former president of the Kingston and Football Association, Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association, sporting director for Cavalier SC, manager for Cavalier SC, and also technical advisor for the Jamaica national team. So, hold a lot of position. Quite a lot of position. Now, he has been appointed also as one of the TSG members. As I said, the TSG members, me tell you, Jurgen Klinsmann, Tobin Heath, Gilberto Silva, Roberto Martinez, Esteban Cambiaso, and it's the head group headed by the FIFA Chief of Global Sports Development, Football Development in Arsene Wenger. So he will be working with these persons. Now, the role that these guys play in football in general is this, which is an expert body responsible for analyzing technical and tactical trends in FIFA tournaments. The TSG operates under FIFA's Global Football Development Division, which is led by Arsene Wenger. Now, roles and responsibilities are tactical analysis, player performance insight, education and development. Future of the game, basically studying emerging trends and benchmark that impact coaching, education, and talent development globally. So as you know, Rudolph Smith also one of the head of the coaching education in Jamaica. So my assumption is that because of his role in coaching education, he was the ideal or right person, but also the improvement of football in Jamaica. Maybe a lot of the factors go to it. The people say it go to him in regards to the fact that he is a head role where coaching development is concerned in Jamaica. So So these are the roles that the TSG performs, and roles and responsibilities of the TSG. And FIFA gave Jamaica 3 appointments. The next 2 appointments is Carlin Edwards. I don't know if you know, she's also one of the persons who run the Jamaica Women Jamaica Women Premier League, and she's now appointed to the female technical committee FIFA technical committee, and also the president, Mr. Ricketts, is also vice chair of the Crossroad committee. So these are the 3 appointments that were given by FIFA. Basically, FIFA say, yes, these are the role we have, these are the role we have, and we want you guys to fill these spots. You guys from CONCACAF to fill these spots. So this also showcased the emergence of Jamaican football and what Jamaica is doing on a global stage. So it's a good look for Jamaican football where that is concerned. Here we go now. So I'm going to touch on the next aspect of the video. So congrats to Mr. Ricketts, congrats to Carlin Edwards, congrats to Mr. Speed on their new appointment in working with FIFA. This appointment was done at the recently held FIFA council meeting of FIFA, and these appointments will be for the next 4 years. For the next 4 years, they will be operating in these roles. So, as I said, Jamaica got 3 appointments, and these 3 appointments are what we have, what I just listed. Let me go again. Rudolph Speed appointed on FIFA Technical Committee for the next 4 years. Carlin Edwards on that's FIFA Committee for Men. Carlin Edwards on the FIFA Committee for Women, and Mr. Ricketts, Vice Chair of the Crossroads Committee. So that should definitely cover it. All right, so we're going to touch on the Mason Greenwood situation as well. Now, you know what I have to say. The question is, what if? Just what if? What if Mason Greenwood entire situation is solely based on Jamaica making it to the World Cup? And that is where he will get the opportunity to represent Jamaica. No, I'm not saying that we shouldn't want to see him in our World Cup qualifiers. Yes, I would love to see him in the World Cup qualifiers. I would really want to see him in the World Cup qualifier. But what if his entire situation solely based on Jamaica making it to the World Cup, so that at that point he will now have the privilege, or should I say the opportunity to come and represent? What if it's a case in which if he should come now, there could be implications for him, and he has to wait until Jamaica make it to the World Cup, and he will represent Jamaica at the World Cup? That's a big what if question. Now, there's many factors tonight. I'm one of the persons who share the sentiments that if it does not partake in the qualifiers, I would not be appreciative if he's a part of the squad for the World Cup. Now, with that being said, I have no control of the national setup selecting him at all, at any point at all. I have no control over that. I just believe that the gods of football reward people for their hard work and reward people and organization for, within the realms of football, reward them for loyalty and perseverance. But definitely, as I'm saying that now in a game, but one thing we know for sure, karma is a crazy thing. Anyways, but as I said, the big question is, what if the entirety of the Mason Greenwood situation is solely down on Jamaica making it to the World Cup qualifiers? And that is where, and that is how, and that's a possibility of us seeing Mason Greenwood repping the colors. Just what if? And there could be implications if he comes before the national team make it to the World Cup. It could be. Just saying. Or what if it's just generally just not interested? Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Go in the comment section. Tell me what you think in the comment section, people. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Out. God bless. Boom. Outside. You know what I mean?